Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this approved used 2022 on a 22 plate Audi Q3 Sportback S-Line 35 TDI S Tronic in Mythos Black Metallic paintwork. Now this vehicle is an approved used car, so it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. To start off with, let's take a full 360 degree tour around this stunning Q3. So starting out at the front, we have these super bright LED headlights to illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. Then looking down, we have these stunning 19-inch 5 twin-spoke dynamic design alloy wheels that really complement some of the silver and chrome accents on the exterior of this lovely Q3. Standing back, we do also have the privacy glass, perfect for protecting those in the rear from the sun, and it also means that any items you have in the back are hidden from view. Looking in the rear then, we do have 3 spacious seats. The outer 2 do come with ISOFIX points, making this the perfect family car. They do also fold 40-20-40, meaning you can get those skis nice and easily through the centre there. We've also got the twin cup holders in the back, alongside the air vents for that lovely aircon to come through. Standing to the rear then, we do have the LED rear lights with the dynamic rear indicators, which, as well as looking really stylish, are really functional and mean that you remain visible at all times. Now popping open the electrically operated tailgate, as you can see there is plenty of space inside the rear of the Q3 Sportback. So there's plenty of things in there for space, such as getting your suitcases in there for that week away with the family. You can also get those golf clubs in there, and once the rear seats are folded, you can get larger items in there as well, such as a bike. You do also have as well this adjustable load floor here, which means that you can have a completely flat load area. Now walking down and looking inside the vehicle, we do have plenty of high quality materials on display inside this stunning Q3. So we do have this lovely brushed aluminium trim here, which is complemented by the silver accented trim above that there. And then we do have these lovely seats, which are the S-Line pulse cloth and the twin leather seats, which are really comfortable, really supportive, especially on those longer drives, and there is plenty of adjustment in them as well. So that completes our initial 360 degree walk around of this approved used Audi Q3 Sportback. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside this Q3 at some of the technology on offer in this stunning SUV. So starting out in the front, we do have these electrically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors, great for those tighter parking spaces, and the heating elements are amazing on those frosty winter mornings. We do have as well this 3-spoke leather wrap multifunction steering wheel. So on the left we've got the controls for Audi's virtual cockpit, which is our digital dash screen. Sat behind that we've got our cruise control and speed limiter, great for those longer drives, just makes it that little bit more relaxing. On the right hand side we've got the controls for our radio and our Bluetooth, and then behind that we do have our Audi virtual cockpit. This is our digital dash screen, and you can see things on there such as some of your vehicle settings, your media, your radio station, as well as your map screen, and you can change the size of those dials to make it feel truly personalised. On this central infotainment screen here we do have our digital audio broadcasting radio stations. There are plenty to choose from, so you should never be short of anything to listen to. We also have our media there by Bluetooth or USB. We have our telephone for those important business calls on the way home. We do also have as well our navigation, where you can clearly see your map screen and you can save key destinations, so home is never far away. You also have your phone apps there, so you can connect the vehicle up to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which means you can use things such as Spotify or Siri without having to take your eyes off the road, and you can also do things such as send and receive texts, and it just gives you that more familiar looking layout. Looking at our car setting then, we do have Audi's famous drive select. So if you want to go for an economy run, you can put the vehicle in efficiency, whereas if you're fancying more of a sporty drive, dynamic is perfect for you. If we scroll down to the bottom as well, we do have the individual mode, where you can set up the car for yourself to exactly how you'd like it to behave. So just below that then, we do have our dual zone climate control, which means that both front passengers can be completely different temperatures to one another. We do also have as well the super strong AC unit in this vehicle. Now below that we've got 2 USB-C chargers, perfect for charging those modern mobile devices. We do have a little bit of storage space next to that as well. And here we have our shifter for the S Tronic gearbox, so you can push it over into manual mode to change gears for yourself, or if you put it in reverse you do get the rear parking sensors come on as well. We do also have a 12-volt socket, perfect for plugging in any accessories, and then we do have this sliding centre armrest here, which can be fixed at several different height positions to make it feel truly comfortable. And underneath that we've got plenty of storage space for things such as your wallet or keys, which you wish to remain hidden from view. So that completes our look today at this approved used Audi Q3 Sportback. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And as an approved used vehicle, this car does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you very soon.